In this video, I will be documenting my GBPJPY London section analysis. This is me checking my fundamentals. Currently, there is no red level news on GBPJPY, so I moved down to my daily time frame. I saw this break of structure, mapped it out, checked if there was another break of structure to the upside. I think that was the last. Then I mapped out the other block of that very break of structure. So I saw this other break of structure to the downside, so I just took note of it to be sure. Then I'm also mapped out the other block. So I stepped down to 4 hours because there was no other structure on the daily time frame. So on the 4 hours, I cleared my chart to make it look neater. Then I saw this internal break of structure. There was no other structure to the upside in the 4 hours, so I saw this change of character here. Then to confirm if that change of character was valid to me, I also saw this break of structure to the downside, so I took note of it. So there was no other break of structure to the downside again. Then there was this seeing price tinting to the upside, so this break of structure to the upside, another break of structure again to the upside. This is on the 4 hour time frame still. There was no other structure again, so I moved down to 2 hours. So on the 2 hour time frame, it was looking more like it was aligning with that of 4 hours, just little refining, and that was me done with 2 hour time frame. So I moved down to 1 hour. On the 1 hour time frame, I spotted a new break of structure to the upside. Yes, right there. Then after that, there was a change of character to the downside. That change of character. Then move down to 30 minutes because that was the last break of structure on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 30 minutes, so I had to refine my structures a bit because it was looking more like that of 1 hour. There was no more structure again. I moved down to 15 minutes, which is my entry. 15 minutes is my entry time frame, so I had to start looking for entries. So I was checking to see if I could see another structure. Then I saw this very tiny order block here. I thought that was where price was pushing up from, but price didn't tap in there. Then I saw this break of structure also to the downside. Then this break of structure to the downside before the change of character. So after that, I saw this as my entering point here. Then mapped out the other block, saw the FVG, looked for liquidity, and I saw that liquidity has been cleared. So that was what makes me more confident to take that trade. So I targeted the next reversal point. Then taking note of that, and then I went ahead to calculate my lot size and also calculate the pips and everything, get my entry, and also placed my trade. At the same time, journal it on my offline journal to make sure that I'm always in check of whatever my trade is having or anything of that nature. So this is my analysis on GBPJPY London section. So I'll be posting more of the results, whether it went to stop loss or ATP. I'll also keep you guys updated. Thank you for watching.